Hi everyone, it's Lucy here from Trekitt, and today we're here to show you how to cook grilled steak with chimichurri at Trippin Kennet Farm.
Our recipe serves 4 people, however you could easily double or triple the recipe if you have more people to entertain. You'll need everything that shows on the screen now. To make the chimichurri by hand, finely chop the handful of basil, coriander and parsley, placing them into the bowl or tub. Then finely chop the garlic clove, finely chop the shallot or onion and add the 1 teaspoon of chili flakes into a bowl or tub. Now add the liquids to the bowl, 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, half a lemon of juice and it's 2 tablespoons of olive oil, seasoning with salt and pepper to combine. If using wooden skewers, soak 12 of them in water for 10 minutes, or you can buy reusable metal ones. Cut and slice the red, yellow and orange peppers. Cut the red onion into small segments. Cube the sirloin steak into 2cm cubes. Threading the peppers, onions and steak onto the soaked skewers, alternate between the meat and vegetables. Do not press the meat and vegetables too tightly together, making sure you leave a 2cm empty space on the end to help with handling. Drizzle with olive oil. Heat up your stove with a bit of oil on the pan over medium heat. Cook the skewers in a pan over the stove for 10 to 12 minutes or until cooked to your taste. Turn every few minutes to ensure even cooking. To finish, plate up and serve with chimichurri sauce. Let's eat. Bon appetit.